Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Good news po ang pag-usapan natin ngayon. Ito, may bagong post ni Teo Moreno. Just in, former President Rudy Duterte seeks interim release from detention to an undisclosed country. According to Nicholas Kaufman, the prosecution has confirmed its non-opposition to interim release of PRRD, provided that certain terms and conditions are met. The ICC Pre-Trial Chamber 1 will rule on the request after the filing of observation from parties, including the prosecution and the victims. Napakagandang balita po ito. Kasi makakalabas na, although temporary pa lang ang kaso hindi pa tapos. Kaya lang kung sa atin, piyansa. Hindi naman nagpiyansa, kaya lang parang ganun. Temporary release to an undisclosed country. So, hindi po dito sa Pilipinas titira si Tatay Digong. So, malalaman na lang natin kung saang bansa ang gusto niya. Siguro yung malapit lang sa Netherlands. Ang maganda dito yung pumapayag ang prosecution. Okay lang sa kanila basta may mga conditions na ma-met. Kung ano yung mga conditions, later on na lang nating malalaman. So ito, in-attach ni Teo Moreno yung document, I don't know, pre-trial chamber, okay? Date 12 June, kahapon lang ito. Situation in the Republic of the Philippines in the case of the prosecutor Rodrigo. So ito, medyo mahaba-haba introduction. Ayan. Introduction. Ayan. Basta hindi ko na lang basahin itong mga punta na tayo sa yung dito, conclusion and relief. So, Mr. Duterte does not meet any of the conditions to warrant further pre-trial detention as provided in Article 58. He does not pose an objective risk of flight, nor is his arrest necessary to ensure the integrity of the investigations or to preclude the continued commission of crimes. He must, as a result, be immediately released from ICC custody. Redacted as affirm its principal willingness to cooperate with the court and accept Mr. Duterte into its territory for the duration of the interim release. Yung country na pinili ni PRRD na doon siya mamalagi, pumayag. Basahin ko hindi pinangalanan yung country. Blank has affirmed its principled willingness to cooperate with the court and to accept Mr. Duterte unto its territory for the duration of his interim release. And enforce conditions of release. It has also affirmed that it will make its prompt observations should it be invited to do so by the pre-trial. As such, the defense will respectfully request that the pre-trial chamber order Mr. Duterte's immediate release into blank, yung country, under any conditions as deemed appropriate. The defense also requests that the deadline for any responses or observations be shortened in light of blank. Signed, Nicolas Kaufman, Counsel for Rodrigo Duterte. Wow, di ba? Ang galing, ang galing. So, salamat. This is now our answered prayer. Alam ko marami sa atin ang nagdarasal. Ako, basta every morning, kasama si Tatay Digong sa aking dasal, good health, comfort, then yung makabalik siya sa Pilipinas alive and kicking, and then dito na nga yung release. So kahit hindi naman siya makabalik sa Pilipinas, okay lang. Wag mo na siyang babalik dito hanggat hindi natatapos yung kaso. Yun, parang nagbabakasyon lang sa undisclosed country na pinili niya. So lalong ano ito, kasi napakalungkot naman yung nag-iisa siya doon. Yun ang magiging kalaban niya, yung boredom o loneliness. So kung makalabas na siya, yan, open na ang... Nako, mas ano na naman ito. May bagong tourist attraction na naman kung saan siya, example, ano bang bansa na malapit sa Netherlands? Sabihin mo na lang kay Norway. Norway. Di, kung doon siya mamalagi sa Norway, nako, doon na ang puntahanan ng mga OFWs. mawawalan na ng turista ang The Hague, Netherlands. Kung saang bansa doon siya mamalagi, doon ngayon ang puntahan ng mga OFWs. Kaming mag-asawa, gustong-gusto naming bisitahin din si Tatay Digong. Kasi yung kamag-anak namin, nandun na, nakabisita na. Sabi namin nga, bakit hindi natin puntahan para ipakita ang suporta kay PRRD? At then, ito na lang, tuloy po natin ang pagdarasal. Nakikita ko, hindi magtatagal. Kasi, ulitin ko, yung prosecution, pumapayag. Okay lang na temporary release. Okay? So, let's continue to pray. God answers prayer. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon. Dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng livelihood assistance, nagpapatanim ng sayote, saging lakatan at Arabica coffee. So panoorin nyo ang video.